I remember Sergio Aguero went and put on his Twitter a picture of him getting vaccinated and telling everybody, go and get vaccinated, go and get vaccinated. He played almost, I think, 20 minutes of his Barcelona career. And then he started, and that was the end of his career. The man would still be scoring goals. I think he had about 2 more years of scoring goals. But he went and whatever. Why do you think people like Novak Djokovic said, no, I would rather not play in a tournament than get vaccinated? And he gave his reasons on BBC. So my point is this, those are adults. The vaccine is not as much risk to me at my age than it is to my teenage son. For some reason, the children are, I don't know why, but the data shows children are hit very adversely by the vaccine. So this is the message we are going to. If you cannot put it on your main channels, please just put it somewhere else. But do citizen journalism for once. Because there are these clowns at Ministry of Health who are planning to become mass murderers. And I know their names. I know their names, but I will not say them until they insist on doing that thing and the death starts. And I will tell you, Mr. So-and-so, Mr. So-and-so are the ones who pushed for that vaccine. So if your child dies in their teenage, when they were healthy, these are the men to blame. You know, some people think we'll sweep these things under the carpet. You go and kill so many young teenagers. The difference between me, of course, I could keep quiet about this, and I just decide my children will not be vaccinated. And they will not. But, and they even are scared a bit of Kampala schools. So now they have taken the vaccines up country where Bambi children will be there in school and they just surround them. But here they know there might be some backlash from schools like. So even Kabuleta would say, my child is at a school where I don't think they will do it. But even if they do, by the way, I would even have to go and get him from school and take him home between 15th and 20th. Take no chances. But I told the headmaster that if my child is vaccinated, I will kill you, and I mean it. I brought him here to study, not to be vaccinated. And I told him, and I mean it, don't think it's not a figure of speech, I mean it. You'll become the first person I kill. And probably the last. So he told me, no, sir, we cannot do it without consent. So I want you to spread the word across the world, across this country. Tell parents, if your children have to stay home between 15th and 20th, let them stay. But I know the vaccines have gone all over the country right now, under conditions where they are not even safe. Because they have to be strictly refrigerated. Anyway, I'll stop there.